Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling Google Assistant and confirming mic and recording permissions. This lets you capture its responses. Once done, choose your capture method: internal audio routing when possible, or a high-quality external mic to avoid system limits. Make sure Assistant voice and language are set, and test a quick prompt to confirm responses. Then prepare a short script of commands to trigger consistent phrases during recording. This reduces editing later and keeps timing predictable for syncing between video and audio. Now record the assistant interactions while maintaining control over audio quality. If your device allows internal audio capture, use that to avoid ambient noise. Otherwise, route audio through a mixer or use Google Cloud text-to-speech for identical, editable voice output. While recording, trigger each prompt deliberately and leave 1-2 seconds of silence between responses so you can cut cleanly. Make sure to clap or use a visual cue to create alignment points. This makes syncing and later edits far faster and more accurate. Finish by importing clips into your editor, trimming silence, and aligning assistant audio with visuals. Normalize and apply mild compression so the voice sits consistently in the mix. Add subtle EQ to enhance clarity, and insert captions for accessibility. Export using 48K HZ audio and a suitable bitrate for your platform. If something goes wrong, missing audio or muffled sound, first check permissions and routing. Then re-record the segment or generate the line with Google Cloud TTS and replace it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.